Hello, everyone, and welcome to our session today on how to enhance UAN Sidedress for maximum corn yields. I'm Dr. Brian Cornelius, and I wanted to give a quick review on the importance of taking everything into consideration related to our nitrogen sidedress applications. As we're all aware, there are several factors that we have to consider when we're finishing planning and we're getting ready to go into either our early post applications or preparing for that nitrogen sidedress application. What are some ways that we can get the most out of that sidedress nitrogen, that UAN? How can we maximize the benefits of that UAN sidedress application? Well, there's a few bullets here. One way is to minimize natural losses to the environment. I mean, we don't want to go out with a UAN sidedress application, and we know the forecast is calling for several inches of rain. How do we increase nitrogen use efficiency and uptake to the crop? What are the ways that we can utilize an integrated approach designed to utilize all the available technologies and cultural practices? And one of the most popular cultural practices now for sidedress is the Y drop application, where everyone's moving to that technology for speed and efficiency of the application. But what are some of those additional technologies that may go along with that sidedress application? You all are probably very familiar with the chemical approaches or the stabilizer technologies, but are there some other technologies out there that can also provide some additional benefits to get the maximum use of that sidedress? And the slide you see in front of you kind of gives us an idea of why this is important. So if you look at the nitrogen uptake of a corn crop, and this is from the University of Illinois Crop Physiology Laboratory, you see throughout the season the different parts of the corn plant that are utilizing nutrients. But the key here is that sidedress timing. And you can see down there on that x-axis, you've got from emergence to maturity, but those brackets show that V4 to V8 timing as the most critical period to get our sidedress nitrogen in the crop, because for the next 21 days, that corn crop is going to take up more than 7 pounds of nitrogen per acre per day for that 21-day period. You're probably familiar with people calling that rapid uptake period. So that's what we want to target, and that's what we want to get ahead of to make sure we get the most out of every unit of N that is applied. And the way that we can do that with technology is a product called Extract, or Extract PBA, powered by Accomplish. It's a proprietary technology in the biocatalyst family, where we combine that biocatalyst technology with ammonium thiosulfate to give us an accelerated nutrient mineralization or recycling effect, to improve the uniformity and emergence of the plant, to extend the nutrient availability later into the growing season, and to improve the overall nutrient use efficiency. So that's what Extract is, and that's what Extract does. So when we combine that with these sidedress applications, what can we expect? So let's go to a study that was done by the Stump Research Center at the University of Nebraska, where they did an application of Extract on fallow ground. Key here, fallow ground with no crop, just looking at the ability of that technology to increase nitrogen availability. And there's 4 charts here where we're looking at nitrates in parts per million. We're looking at nitrates in the 0 to 8 inches, in the 8 to 24 inch depths, as well as ammonium. And you can see in each one of these charts, nitrate in general, almost 6% increase. 0 to 8 inches, 11% increase. 8 to 24 inches, a 22% increase. And with that ammonium, we're looking at a 23% increase in available nitrogen for the crop. So this is the effect that we want with our sidedress UAN. Now let's look at that closer in a real world setting where we've actually got a growing crop. Let's go to a couple of data points from Indiana. First, West Lebanon. Extract applied at a gallon per acre in a sidedress scenario with 2800, and you can see the addition of the extract gave us about an 11 bushel increase, which yielded about a $65 per acre return on investment based on $7 corn. New Brunswick, Indiana, we're looking at a huge increase, and we're showing you this just to show you the power of this technology, where same scenario, extract versus no extract with 28 double, and you've got a $212 per acre return on investment. Now, let's look at that from a more holistic standpoint across 51 data points around the country. And you can see here, we show this piano graph. We call it our meta-analysis of these 51 data points. And out of those 51 data points, 43 or 84% of those yielded an above break-even return. And that break-even is approximately 2 bushels per acre to get the proper return from the technology. So in summary, and again, this is just a quick review, extract increases the efficiency of sidedress nitrogen by influencing both the applied and residual nitrogen sources. Extract increased plant available nitrogen compared to untreated soil. And then there's a really good economic benefit for an excellent return on investment and increased yield, again, for a very minimal break-even cost of about 2 bushels per acre. And for you guys, here in 2023, we believe the likelihood of getting a benefit from extract in your sidedress applications is really highly likely. So thank you guys for tuning in for this quick review. If you have any questions, again, you can reach out. My email address is there on the screen. We'd love to answer your questions and love to give you more information on some of these new biocatalyst technologies. Thank you.